read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Our today's topic is sight words. It's our last topic. So, expected learning outcome. The student is expected to identify and recognize common sight words like a, an, eat, it, eatna, in, to, the, you, out, with. These are sight words. Make the flashcards of these sight words, visualize to the students, teach them and ask them their spellings as well. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.